8:27, can you see that? 8:27 and I'm up in the morning. Bro, you gotta excuse me if I look dusty because I look pretty dusty right now, but basically I'm headed to Foot Locker because it is Yeezy season. I don't have like much energy because like I've been up like half an hour, but it's Yeezy season. I tried to get them online, but as you saw in the beginning of the vlog, they sold out, and I was like, well, I still need to get them. So I'm headed to the city centre right now because I'm gonna try and pick them up in store from Foot Locker. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you when I get in store. I don't know if they're gonna allow me to film in store, but I'm gonna just use my phone anyway. So yeah, I'll catch you in a bit.
Two hours later.
Yo, shout out, what's your name? Do you want to shout yourself out? Yeah, shout out your clothing brand as well.
Alright, so my clothing line is Prosperity Apparel. I started up with Mate. It's an upcoming clothing line. You should start soon, so stay updated, stay posted and follow up.
Yeah, I'm gonna link him in the description. Just hook him up with the Yeezys. You cool? There you go.
Nice.
There.
Doing business with you.
There. Thank you. Yo, shout out to my guy just now. I swear, I was waiting in that queue for like 2 hours. My guy comes past and it's like, yo, I'll do it for like 270. And I was like, I need to get this review up for you guys. So I went ahead, picked him up. I'm sure the retail's gonna be like 300. I'm not tripping with paying 270. But right now I'm just waiting. I'm about to catch a train. Then I'll go home. Then I'll get this review up. And yeah, shout out to my guy because otherwise I don't think I would have been able to get them because the queue was so long. I'll catch you when I get home though. And I'm back. So I went ahead and picked up the Yeezys. The queue was insane this morning. I swear, like, I'm gonna keep the bag on. No, I'm not. The queue was insane this morning, right? I'm gonna sit on the floor as well because my bedroom's just a whole tip. And usually I set like my shoe boxes up and sit in front of those, but like my bedroom's just a mess. Anyway, I just got back from size and I picked up the Yeezys. If you saw my Instagram story, you'd see that I was standing there for hours, like so incredibly long. Right, I'm seeing people like at the front of the queue, like an hour later, they're stood at the front of the queue. I have no idea how many people they were like letting in at a time or whatever. People were like coming out and then they were like saying onto people in the queue, and someone comes out and they're like, I'll do two, no, what did they say? I think they said they'll do them for 300 and I said I'll do them for 250, and then we ended up agreeing on 270. To be honest, I've been there for like 3 hours. And I was like, by the time I get to the front of the queue, I'm gonna put my Instagram story there. Like, by the time I got to the front of the queue, you would like, I would not have been able to get them because there was just so many people queuing up. I got there, right, and I'm thinking in my head, I'm gonna go to Foot Locker, I'm just gonna walk in and buy them like I've done before. Completely sold out. There was still a queue and they were sold out still, like even like with the queue, and people were still queuing up and they were sold out. And then I went to Offspring, which is in Selfridges, huge queue, like completely sold out. And then I went to size and I queued up and like it was cold as well. It was so cold. Like English weather is just not good at the moment and it was just like freezing. So I was queuing up. It must have been about like 3 hours maybe. So I was queuing up and then I decided I'm just gonna pay resale because I wanted to get this video up for you guys. I feel like maybe I could have gone cheaper on eBay. I did pay £270, but which is only like £90 more. I feel like I could have gotten cheaper, but I really wanted to put this review out today. So I'm just gonna get straight into the unboxing. So yeah, shout out to my guy who hooked it up for 270. So many people were saying 300. Like people were just coming out the store, I've got to pay 300, and I was like I'm not paying 300 because I know that like they're gonna go up because they are Europe only released, but I feel like 300 is just way too much. Anyway, getting into it then. I did go ahead and pick these up in a UK 10, as you can see on the front of the box. On the top they say 350, and then on the side you got that boost. If I open it up, here they are. I have already looked at them. They're such a fire colorway. I have like the North America, I think it's North America only, and the Europe ones. These are my favorite colorway. Like, look at that orange. These are so close to the belugas, and I really like the belugas. But these are like almost better than the belugas actually, because this bit's kind of like, it's like, oh, it is see-through. You can see my fingers through it. I thought it was just like this weird mesh material. Now it's see-through. I can see my finger. So these are what I picked up then. These are the Yeezy 350 V2s. What is the official colorway? RFRM. I'm not sure what they've... Let me just check. Oh, the official colourway for these is TRFM. So yeah, super clean colourway. I think out of all the Yeezys so far that I've released, other than the belugas and you know the black ones with the red writing on the side, this is my favourite colourway. The orange is so clean. Do you know what, this will go really well with? These shoes will go so well with my Bape hoodie. I've got this orange Bape hoodie. It will look so fun. Let me just get it. This hoodie right here, this Bape hoodie with these, look at that. Oh my days, that is a fit. The Bape hoodie with the orange on the back as well. That all just looks so clean together. So anyway, getting into the materials then, you have like this like super soft mesh upper. It's like the same material that they use on all the 350 V2s. And then you have this material right here. The statics, I didn't pick those up because I honestly wasn't really feeling them. I've got this same material that the statics did on this part here. On the back you have that orange. That's definitely my favourite bit. That orange on the back is just so clean. Like the shoe, it's not really popping. The sole's kind of popping, but then you see the orange on the back and it's like, alright, they're cool. I'm getting into the sizing. I did pick these up in a size 9. No, I picked these up in a size 10. I couldn't find, no one was like offering a size 10.5, which is what I usually pick them up in. And I was like, at this point, it was so cold. Let me just say that. I'm not one for giving in and paying resale prices usually, but it was cold. I was expecting to just walk in the shop, get them, go home, do this review for you guys. However, I got there and the queue was crazy. I only had this t-shirt on, my bag and this jacket on, and it was freezing. So I just ended up giving in, and I bought them in a size 10. Maybe I should have got a 10.5 and waited, but I just feel like I was lucky to get them for the price that I did at 270. So many people were saying 300, but I got them for 270. Maybe I should have got a size 10.5, seeing as somebody else had a size 10.5. It is what it is at the end of the day. I still got them, and I feel like if we just take out the insole, then they should work perfectly. I think that's going to wrap it up for the review, to be honest. That's not really too much to go over. They are like a super clean colourway, and definitely my favourite Yeezys, other than like the Pirate Black ones and the Belugas. They are a far colourway. Anyway, that's going to wrap it up for this video. I feel like I'm going to do my videos a lot more like chilled and relaxed from now on, because I feel like I put like so much effort into like setting up like this whole like shoe thing, and then like I don't know, I feel like it's just too like professional or whatever. I'd much rather just like pick up the camera and like vlog or whatever. I'm going to do like more vlogs and stuff because I really did enjoy vlogging today. So if you do want to see more vlogs, make sure you let me know in the comments, although I'm going to be doing them anyway because I just feel like so much more comfortable now holding the camera and vlogging, and I just don't want my videos to be like really professional. I'd rather just be like so much chilled and like more of like a one-on-one, like you actually like we're like actually talking. I feel like it's just so much better to make videos that way. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing from now on. I'm going to be like so much more like the video format's going to be a lot more chilled and relaxed because I feel like it's like fun. I feel like it's better for you guys to watch rather than me sitting there talking about a shoe. I'd rather like do like a pickup vlog on them if I'm going to buy some shoes, and then come back, just sit down, talk about the shoes and do it on feet. I feel like it's just so much better that way. So that's what I'm going to be doing from now on. I really hope that you guys do enjoy this video. I actually had really fun filming it. Like going out and vlogging, before I used to go out and I'd be like really like just uncomfortable holding the camera and talking, but I felt a lot better about it today. Maybe it's because I was so tired, like I just didn't really know what was going on. Like if you saw like my eyes at the beginning, I was just extremely tired because I barely slept the night before. Then I went out and it was super early, so maybe that had something to do with it because I didn't really know what I was doing. But yeah, regardless, I really enjoyed making this video and I hope you guys liked it. I'm going to get on to doing the on feet now. Before I do that, if you are new to my channel, if this is the first video you've seen so far, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below for more videos. Also, turn on the bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a brand new video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. Now, without further ado, I'm going to show you the on feet of the Yeezy 350 V2 TRFRM. Let's get into it. Thank you for watching. I'm out. Peace.
My future looks overseas. I'm on a new level. Check out the blueprint. I'm rocking Gucci, mixed match with Givenchy. I'm on a new level, so see if I can new drip. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it. I'm on a new level, so so see if I can neutral it. Chest like it's Nike, may I just do it?